Hey, it's Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures. Here's showing you, I have a code, that little check engine light there. So I'm going to show you how to read it without hooking up a scanner tool. It's pretty simple. So just shut the car off. So you turn your ignition on, off, on, off, on. Code 420. And done. So I'm just going to show you again. Engine light is on, right down at the bottom, and the code will come up in that area right there. Okay, so it's off. Now you turn the ignition on. You don't have to start it, just turn the ignition on. So on, off, on, off, on. Reads code 420 right there. And done. So that's the only code that shows up. I think code 20 is catalyst, so it could be an oxygen sensor also. But you know what? This can save you some bucks because you don't have to have it scanned. You know what the code is. Anyway, I hope this helps. Take care.